Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So guys, I got a box from ColourPop. And it is, if you can see, there's a sneak peek on my Instagram, so go follow me there. It is the Hocus Pocus collection. Oh my goodness. So this kind of ages me a little bit because Hocus Pocus is like my childhood, and that's the reason why I got the entire collection. I'm so excited. Alright, so let's go through this box. I kind of already know what's in here because I've been watching all those like sneak peeks and everything like that. So the first thing I'm going to pull out is all of the eyelashes. So we have Clever Witch. We have Boss Witch. And then we have Flirty Witch. Ooh, those are really cool. I like those ones. Obviously, this is Sarah because her hair is blonde. This is Winnie. Winnie, yeah, and then this is Mary. So Mary is Clever Witch, Winnie is Boss Witch, and then Sarah is Flirty Witch, of course, because, you know, that's how her personality is. There are 3 different lip duos for each of the sisters. So we have
I'm beautiful.
I am beautiful. I smell children. I put a spell on you.
I put a spell on you. And now you're mine.
Sorry, every single time I read these, it makes me think of the movie.
Thank you, Max, for that marvelous introduction.
Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm getting goosebumps. And then we have some cream gel liners. So the first one we have is Sisters, and this is a like berry color. Then we have a green color, which is called Black Flame Candle. Don't light it, virgins. And then we have the last one, which is called Trick or Treat, and this one is purple. And then we have 2 glitterily obsessed glitter gels. They both have Binks on them, which I thought was really, really cute. Binks is the kitty from the movie. The first one is called, oh look, another glorious morning.
Glorious morning. Makes me sick.
And then we have a muck, a muck, a muck, a muck. A muck, a muck, a muck, a muck.
Oh, witch in red costumes and run amok.
And then we have Gather Round, Sisters. This is the palette I have been dying to get my hands on. This is the main event, is this palette right here. So I will link down below a couple of like completely unboxing videos and swatches. I don't really want to get into that because everybody else has done it, and I want to do a look based on the Sanderson sisters. I was actually watching the movie the other day, and I was like, I got some ideas. So let's open up the Glitterily Obsessed really quick. So like on the inside of the packaging, you can see here there's like a cauldron and some eyes. Is the book in here? No, but it has the Black Flame Candle. So this is a purple and silver gel. This is going to be freaking fun to play with. Like, I can't wait to play with this for Halloween. And then we have the Another Glorious Morning. It is a gold gel. These are going to be so much fun to play with. So I'm going to put on the lip duos after I get the eyeshadow done. And we're going to take a look at Gather Round, Sisters. Here is the palette here. I love the packaging. Like, if you actually look at the packaging, it's a gold embossed packaging. And the lettering on here is actually, it looks like it's from the book. And it's actually like embossed and raised up. There's like a spider over here, a candle over here, which is the Black Flame Candle. And then on the back, you have all of the colors that are in cauldrons and the color choices. There are a couple in here that are like not meant for the eye, which has like the little asterisk on it. And then here is the actual palette. Ooh, here's the plastic. Here's the Hocus Pocus palette, and then they actually have the Sanderson sisters as like cartoon figures. So you have Sarah, Winnie, and Mary. Oh, this is so cute. And then all of these awesome colors in here. Like, I am so excited to play with this. One of my friends got this from Ulta. She wasn't able to get it when they released it online, but she was able to get it when I went to stores. So she did some looks for me and she was like, you're gonna love this. And I'm like, okay. So we're gonna play with this palette today. I'm so excited and I just can't hide it. We're gonna start with Hello Salem. And this does not come with a mirror. So I'm going to have to use a mirror. This is probably one of the packages where I'm just going to keep all of the boxes and everything because I love the packaging like so much. So we're using Hello Salem. It's a very like mauvey pink color. I'm actually going to sweep this like all across, like up until you get to the crease. So we're going to do it on the lid too because it's not quite a skin tone color, but it's close enough. Gather round, sisters. Can't even tell it's on my lid yet. So next we're going to take On Toast, which is this like brown color here. This I'm going to put into the crease. We're going to define the crease. So when I was watching the movie, I noticed that all the sisters have like this really dark eyeshadow look. So we're going to try and aim for that today. I wonder why it says On Toast. There's nothing in the movie. They have a color in here called Tis Fun. So now I want to take, I call it a bus. Bubble, I'm in trouble. What do you desire? You desire children. Oh, please get these references, people. So we are taking the same brush and we're tapping into, I call it a bus. And I just can't with these color names because they remind me. I mean, obviously they're supposed to remind me of the movie, but oh my goodness gracious me. So we're going to create this right here. We're just stamping this and kind of like blending right on the outer corner. I want this to be super dark. Bubble, I'm in trouble. I call it a bus. Oh, that's awesome. I think so far the biggest thing I love about this palette is the names and how they relate to the movie. So if you have seen the movie, if you are as old as me, then you would understand, you know, the whole reference to this. And if you haven't seen the Hocus Pocus movie, you need to because it's like the Halloween movie. And it is so good. It's a very like classic 90s movie. And the fashion in there just kills me. It kills me. So I'm going to set this brush aside. And I want to dip into the Bewitched color, which is like a green color. I'll show you guys in a minute. Ein Minuten, meine Damen und Herren. What kind of brush do I want to use? So Bewitched is this green color here. It is a matte color, so we're going to use this one. And we're going to put this right next to, I call it a bus. I'll show you guys. So right here, we're putting the green. So when you look at the Sanderson sisters makeup, all of their makeup is like super dark. Sarah actually has like a full on black eye shadow. It's like gray to black and all of them are really dark. So that is the look we are going for. Something based off of the movie. So we're taking that green color, we're stamping and then we're going to blend, but we're moving it and we're shading into the black color. And then next I want to take Thackeray Binks, which is this like purple color, but it's actually a foily metallic color. We're going to put this on the inner corner. We're using just a detailed brush from Moda. The other two brushes I used actually are from some random brush set that have no number. So yeah, they were just like blending brushes, but this one should pack on that color absolutely perfectly. Yeah. This purple is so pretty. Very pigmented and like super metallic, even with my brush not even being wet down. Like, look at that. I put a spell on you. So I'm going to take that green brush and we're just going to use it without like putting on any more product, and we're going to blend that line with the purple. Oh yeah, that's like smoldery and like. So now we're going to take the color Wench. This is what Billy calls Winnie. He says, Wench. Okay, so Wench, we're going to put on the inner corner. So I did get a little bit of fallout, not a lot. And we're going to take Full Moon, which is this color here, and this is just going to be the brow bone highlights. Then the brush that we used for the black, we're just going to use it to kind of blow out the black right here on the edges. And we're just going to take it down into the lower lash. Okay, so we have these three eyeliners. We have the green one, we have the purple one, and we have like a berry toned one. So we have Black Flame Candle, Trick or Treat, and Sisters. So I want to put one on my lower lash line. And then I also want to put one on my upper lash line, but that's after I put on the lashes. So the first one I want to put on is the Sisters one. And you'll see the packaging here. There's like little eyeballs on it. And it reminds me of the book. And this is a twist up on Ooh, and that is metallic. That is so cool. So we're going to put this on the lower lash. I really want to make like, and I'm kind of being messy with it because I kind of want it like smoked out, like so. So we're going to be using the Volume Stylist 18-Hour Mascara. This is from Essence Cosmetics. We're going to put this on my lids first, and then I want to put on lashes. Maybe this will become a regular thing. I put lashes on in a different video, and that is actually up on my channel. It's the Deck of Scarlet video, and I love the way that those lashes turned out. I used the Raw Beauty Christy Can't Be Bothered lashes, but because the set comes with lashes, we're going to use the lashes in this set today. We have Clever Witch, which is kind of like more of a natural set. Then we have Boss Witch. These ones are a little bit more, they're like in between. So these kind of feel a little bit more feathered and full. And then we have Flirty Witch, which I really like these ones. I think these ones will go with today. These ones are Sarah Sanderson. These are her eyelashes. So we're going to put these on. We are going to use, this is a pure eyelash glue. And so now we have Flirty Witch eyelashes on. Wow, those are like, wow, those are crazy, but I really like it with this like dramatic smoky eye, so I think that fits really, really well. I like it. I like it. I really do. So then we have the lip duos. So these are all red lipsticks that are based off of each of the Sanderson sisters. So all of these are a different type of red lipstick. I'm actually going to open them because I don't remember what they look like. And these are the first times I'm opening them in real life. Ooh, that is pretty. Look at the packaging on there. So this is Winnie's. And so the duo was called I Put a Spell on You. But we have the Winnie Luxe lipstick. And then we have the Come We Fly Lippy Pencil. Ooh, that's really pretty. I like this. Is kind of like, it kind of has like an orange undertone to it, I feel like. Yes, it does. Look at that. That is so pretty. Ooh. That is gorgeous. So this is the Winnie one. I love the packaging on this. This is just amazing. And then we are going to, so here are two swatches for you. This is the lipstick. This is the Lippy Pencil. And we're going to put these back because I kind of want to see what Mary's looks like. Hers is called I Smell Children. And then obviously we have the lipstick, and then we have the Lippy Pencil. The Lippy Pencil is called Spinster Ladies. This looks kind of more of that like true red, not so much of an orangey red. Ooh, that's pretty. Mary's is really speaking to me right now. So this is Mary's right here. Mary, and then Spinster Ladies. The I Smell Children duo. These are so pretty. And then I Am Beautiful. This one is from Sarah. And ooh, this is like a dark, dark red. This is super pretty. Actually kind of matches my necklace here, where it's that more of that dark berry toned red. Oh yeah. So this is Sarah's, the Lucky Rat. pale is the Lippy Pencil. And obviously the Sarah lipstick is for Sarah. So I really like Sarah. I like all of these, don't get me wrong. They're all really, really pretty. I especially love the Mary one because that's like a true red. And I love the true red. I think that'll be absolutely, like if you were going for, like I love that classic red lip. But I want the Sarah lip. I want that dark burgundy color. So we're going to line. Don't know if this is actually one. Yeah, it is one that you sharpen. So if I have never ever tried their lip pencils before. I love how creamy this is. Look how like dark and oh, it's so good. Now we're gonna try the Sarah lipstick. So I definitely forgot that I wanted to line the top lashes. So we're going to use the green one, which is called Black Flame Candle. And I'm going to use this just to line over the lashes. So this is the green one. Trick or treat. Ooh, that's like a really light green compared to what I thought it was going to be. So there's the green color. Black Flame Candle. That is fun. So the green kind of showed up, kind of didn't, but that's okay. It's still really pretty. I love that green color, so I'm probably going to play a little bit more with the greens in the eyeshadow palette and then also play with this. So yeah, I think I love their gel liners actually. They're really good. The last thing that I want to use is one of these, which are the glitter pots. And I think we're going to use a Muck, which is the purpley one. I think that'll look really, really cool with what's going on here. I love these. These are so much fun. So you can use these, I guess, I'm going to put it on my face because I want to put it on my face. And we're just going to add this like out here. And I'm actually going to like thin it out a little bit and then just pat it on. Just getting creative with the makeup here. Okay guys, so here is my final look with the ColourPop Hocus Pocus collection. I'm super impressed. Oh my goodness, like look at this. This is so much fun. So what do I have to say about this collection? I think the packaging is so adorable. I love the names of the shadows. I love all of the names of everything in this collection. I think it's fantastic. I think that if you're a true ride or die Hocus Pocus fan, like this is not going to disappoint in any way. Like I am not disappointed by anything in this collection. I think it's amazing how they created lipsticks that correlate with the sisters. I love the eyeshadow palette and all the names that they put in there. And I love the color story. Like I think the color story is really fun and easy to work with, but it creates like a really dramatic look. Next time I'm probably going to play with some of the purples and the greens. That's going to be a lot of fun. But for today, we wanted to do something bold and dramatic. I absolutely love these eyelashes. I think they're perfect for each sister. Sarah is the flirty sister. Definitely the clever sister is Mary. And then the boss witch is definitely Winnie. Winnie is definitely the boss witch. She's the leader of the gang. But the smart one is, you know, Mary. Let's form a calming circle. Oh my god, I didn't realize there's a color called Yabos. Oh my goodness, Yabos. Okay guys, so anyway, I love this collection. I don't think it disappoints in any way at all. I think it's so much fun. I can't wait. I'm actually going to create a witch look with this palette for my Halloween costume. Bear and I are going to be witches this year, and I don't know what B is going to be yet. He kind of wants to be Scooby, but he kind of wants to be a warlock. I don't know, but Bear and I are going to be little witches this year, and she's getting dressed up kind of like a little Hocus Pocus inspired witch, and so is Mommy. So I will be doing a tutorial for that. I'll use this palette because that will be fun. But if you guys liked this video, give it a good thumbs up if you do. If you guys want to see more from me, hit the subscribe bell and the notifications so that you guys can get notified when I post again. Hope you liked this video because this was fun. This was amazing. So good. I hope you guys like my I put a spell on you. Anyway, I will see you guys later. Bye.